and welcome to the StanCan YouTube channel. You're probably here because you have bought one of the StanCan crochet kits and looking to start learning how to crochet. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the basis of how to crochet, and this is how to hold your crochet hook and how to hold your yarn. These are the two most important methods of learning to crochet, as without this, you really can't crochet. So let's get started with learning how to actually hold your hook and how to hold your yarn. In your crochet kit, you'll get a crochet hook. Today, I'll be demonstrating using an 8mm crochet hook and some yarn that I found in my stash. However, of course, use the yarn that is in your crochet kit. So, let's learn first how to actually hold your crochet hook. There is multiple ways of holding a crochet hook, and today I'll be demonstrating two different techniques. The first technique is the knife and fork method. I say this because you hold the crochet hook as if you're using a knife and fork. You want a nice firm grip on your crochet hook, and this is so that you have a nice firm grip and you're comfortable. The next method that I also teach is something called the pencil method. So you hold your crochet hook as if it is a pencil, like this, as if you're writing. This is one I feel comfortable with. However, I'm going to be sticking to the knife and fork method, as this is what most people usually stick to. The main thing with starting out as crocheting is that you're comfortable, and holding your crochet hook is what will affect that. So make sure, however you're holding your crochet hook, you are comfortable. So want to keep that pointer finger free so that you can use it whilst crocheting. Right, so now we're going to learn how to hold your yarn. There is so many different ways of holding your yarn, and again, this comes back to how you feel comfortable with your crochet hook. Right, so as this crochet tutorial is a left-handed crochet tutorial, you're going to be holding your hook in your left hand and the yarn in your right hand. You're then going to start by draping the yarn over the first three fingers and then round the first one, like I'm doing here. So draping it over the first three, and then you're going to wrap the yarn round your top finger, and that creates the tension. Another popular method when starting out holding your yarn is to wrap it round the bottom finger and then round the top. However, I hate this method, as I believe that you can't really get a good tension. So make sure you keep to the method I taught you at the start, which is wrap it round the bottom three, and then wrap it round the top. I believe this creates a really good tension. So, I'm just going to create a slip knot very, very quickly. That was bad, let me try that again. And just to show you how it looks whilst crocheting. So, here's the slip knot. I'm just going to tighten that on my crochet hook. And then you can see here, I'm using that method of holding my hook using the knife and fork method, as well as holding my yarn using the wrap round the bottom three and wrap round the top method. And here it is. That's how you create your very nice tension so that all your crochet pieces come out looking stunning. Now, make sure you practice that again and again and again, and then over time, that'll just come easy to you. You won't even have to think about it. Make sure you practice this and come back for the next video